support goals completion continuously. Now, this coaching principle becomes even more important when we are dealing with very challenging goals or if you're dealing with habit and behavior change in coaching. As people begin to take on the challenging goals and attempt to change their habits and behaviors, there's a tendency to revert back to the old behavior or habit, or there's tendency to give up when things get really difficult. So this is where we need to pay special attention as a coach to help coaches in as many ways as possible to ensure that they will be on track, that they'll be able to implement those actions and plans that they have put out in coaching. So in other words, use whatever ways and means that you can to make the process of change seamless and smooth for the coachee. If you look at your list, I have my list. One of the key things is milestone management. We chunk down the goals and we ensure that when our coachee achieves a certain point in their progress towards achieving the goal, we ask them, how would you celebrate your success or your progress so that you can move on to the next chapter or the next part of your breakthrough goal?